Hello, I'm going to compare Hubspot versus Attio, which is better. So Hubspot is a comprehensive CRM platform with powerful marketing, sales, and customer service tools, making it ideal for businesses seeking an all-in-one solution with automation and integrations. Attio is a modern, customizable CRM focused on real-time data sensing and collaboration, best suited for startups and teams that need a flexible, lightweight alternative to traditional CRMs. So in conclusion, HubSpot is a better choice for businesses needing a full-featured, scalable CRM, while Attio is ideal for agile teams looking for a streamlined, customizable CRM experience.